The main thing that I look for while looking for a school directly is if my VA benefits would cover tuition. This school in this area is like probably one of the only ones that had VA approval. This one just told me exactly what I needed, when I needed, and when I would start, and there it is. About week 2, they were putting a bug in our ear saying, hey, be thinking ahead of time where you're gonna go. Where are you gonna end up? You're gonna get your CDL, right? We're gonna ensure that you get it through the training we give you, but think about what you're gonna go. What's your next step? Who are you gonna apply for? They had different companies come in. They came in and gave us some really good information and a lot of help. Gotta thank my instructors for definitely guiding me to that right place. I really thought I couldn't do it. Having those instructors say, hey, one step at a time, you'll get through this, you'll catch up on it quick. And seeing myself back at week 1, scared to drive a manual, you know what I mean? It's different, it's an experience you've never tried before. Week 4, I'm feeling stronger than ever. Just another day at the office kind of thing.